Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create clean professional charts and graphs in Canva, perfect for presentations, reports, or even personal projects. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, your creative home base where all your designs live. Now, look to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all kinds of visual assets, from shapes and icons to, you guessed it, charts. In the search bar at the top, type in the word chart. Canva will pull up different options: bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Take a second to think about your data. For comparisons, a bar chart works great. For trends, try a line graph. And for percentages, pie charts are perfect. Once you've picked your chart, click on it, or just drag and drop it straight onto your design canvas. Now click on the chart. You'll see a little data table pop up. This is where you'll replace Canva's sample numbers with your own data. As you type, the chart updates in real time. You can tweak colors, fonts, and labels to match your brand or project style. Canva gives you full control to make your chart stand out. And that's it. You've just built a custom chart in Canva. Keep experimenting with different layouts and styles, and before long, you'll be designing like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.